And now for C, this one will look a bit different, but you'll notice that all that's happened is that there's my x-axis, my y, it just flipped over the x-axis. Okay, so this means that we know our A value is going to have to be negative because it flipped over. So again, let's start with our B values by setting up our table of values. Okay, so my first point is 1 and 0. Then I have 2 and -6. And then at the bottom I have 3 and -30. Okay, so the difference between here is 6. The difference between here is 24. Okay, so I divide these two numbers, 24 divided by 6, and I get 4. So I know my B is going to be 4x plus C. Okay, now we need to find our C by looking at the horizontal asymptote. So we know that every exponential function, the parent function, when it does not have a C, the horizontal asymptote is at 0. But you'll see here that the horizontal asymptote here is at 2. So that means it got shifted up 2. So because it got shifted up 2, my C will be 2. Okay, and then we can take one of the points, like 2 and -6, and plug it in. So -6 goes here, and 2 goes here. So -6 equals A, 4 to the power of 2 plus 2. Bring that 2 to the other side. Becomes a negative, so I have -6 minus 2. -8 equals A to the 16. I got to bring 16 to the other side by dividing both sides by 16. And that will make, so -8 over 16 can be reduced to -1 over 2. So that will make my final answer be y equals -1/2 4x plus 2, which makes sense why it has flipped over, because I have the negative in front of my A. Okay.